I suppose it's time for another video, ladies and gentlemen. I bring you the USS Delphi, or the Delphi class, project named Delphi. I had something in my mind, and then my muse ran away with me, and I got this. The Delphi, it's got an oversized primary hull or saucer section with use of negative space that I added, and also negative space in the divided secondary hull. There's the engineering section would be at the lower secondary hull, and the top one is what would house the shuttle bay. And yeah, got rear swept pylons to connect the top section and forward swept to connect the bottom section. And I'm having fun with this. A lot of details on her. I'm way into details. Like to throw in lots and lots of details. Horizontally mounted nacelles. I started playing around with. I'm not done with the deflector dish. There's a lot I'm not done with, but I'm just balancing the lines, seeing what I think works and what doesn't. And if you'll notice, for some strange reason, I have a red rectangle, a red tower. I don't know why I did that. It's just sitting there. What do you think of her? I think she's. You might notice that originally there are some parts from the Odyssey class. I'm a little bit enamored with the Odyssey class ship from Star Trek Online, but I've made very much a departure from that. That was a long time ago. And yeah. Pew pew. What do you think of her? Delphi. Thoughts in the comments? Whatever you want to do. Okay, bye.